Alright, being a premium security product of this security door, there is one very interesting key feature. Alright, look at this key. Seems simple enough, right? Just a key, right? But actually, this is a contractor key. And this is also a contractor key, but this is an owner key. So, the main difference is, this contractor key, you can pass it to any contractor. They can do any renovation work in your house, and they'll pass it to you. But of course, they might duplicate the key, you might not know. Hence, this owner key here. So, the owner key, once it's plugged into your lock, it will render these keys or any duplicate useless, because this key will no longer be able to open your lock after your owner key is plugged in. So this is a very simple but very effective security solution, because if you have a very heavy and strong door, the greatest vulnerability is actually the lock. So make sure no one has any access to the lock by having this feature. Yeah. Any inquiries about this feature or any other features or any doors, you can let us know. We'll help you with any information or any thoughts or designs that you wish. We'll help you. We'll be happy to help you with any inquiries. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. Jesus loves you and He heals. Bye. God bless.